This is lesson 20 and 21 learning check. Number 1, which inequality is shown on the graph below? Number 2, look at the graph. Select the inequality whose graph is shown. Number 3, which of the ordered pairs could be in the solution set to? Hint, graph the line in Desmos and plot all the points. Number 4, which graph represents the inequality? Number 5, the point 3, 2 lies on the line y equals 2 over 3x. Which inequality has a solution at the point 3, 2? Number 6, Allison is going to play putt-putt golf. It costs $3 to rent a golf club and a golf ball. It costs $2.75 to play each round of putt-putt golf. She has $10 to spend. Which inequality could help Allison determine the most number of games she can play? Number 7, Cameron wants to buy a pair of wireless earphones that cost $120. Cameron has already saved $35 for his purchase. He gets paid $5.75 an hour for an afternoon job. What is the least number of hours that Cameron needs to work in order to save enough money to buy the wireless earphones? Number 8, what are the x and y intercepts of 8x minus 6y equals 24? Hint, graph the line in Desmos. Number 9, what appears to be the domain of the points plotted on the graph? Number 10, solve for x.